Today we're going to learn a cinematic text effect that will make your video more engaging and professional. Let's dive right into the timeline. Here I have a video footage and text layer. First we'll select the text layer and head over to Effect Controls. In Effect Controls, under the opacity section, you will find the pen tool. We'll use this tool to create a mask over the text. Once the mask is applied across the entire text, go to the mask feather and set it to 3%. Then make sure to turn on the invert option. Next, we will enable the keyframe for mask path. Now, as the subject in the video moves, we'll adjust the mask frame by frame so that the text follow the subject. Creating a smooth transition. Once the masking is complete, you will see how the text moves along with the subject. To make it even more visually appealing, we'll add a glow effect. Simply duplicate the text layer, then go to the effect controls and apply the Gaussian blur effect. Set the blurriness to 15% and you will notice a strange glow around the text. Now when we play the entire video, you will see how cinematic and stylish the effect looks. If you want to learn more amazing effects like this, don't forget to check out our others video. Thanks for watching.